Why schools are declaring war against ChatGPT? A growing number of schools are banning ChatGPT due to cheating concerns. The school reports that students are using ChatGPT to do their assignments, projects, and quizzes. The reason to ban is that they want students to develop the skill of critical thinking and problem solving. Though cheating using online tools isn't new, and we saw the rise of it during the days of pandemic when we used to have online classes. Let's ask ChatGPT, what's the difference between human writing versus AI generated writing?
Creativity and originality. Human writing tends to be more creative and original, as it draws on the writer's personal experiences, knowledge, and emotions. AI generated writing, on the other hand, is based on data and algorithms. Tone and style. Human writing often has a distinct tone and style that reflects the writer's personality, perspective, and intended audience. AI generated writing, while it can mimic certain styles and tones, often lacks the nuance and subtlety of human writing. Last but not the least, editing and revision. While AI generated writing can be quickly generated, it may lack the ability of self-edit or revise its own work. Humans, on the other hand, can revise and refine their work through multiple drafts and iterations.
The main concern is not a complete shutdown of ChatGPT or AI-related tools, but utilizing AI-assisted learning and researching to help automate the time-consuming and repetitive parts for searching the information and their sources. Using them to completely outsource the job would definitely be a kill for your own thinking abilities. And that's all for today's video. Until we see you in the next one.